Hello everyone, I Satish Kumar, lecturer in English in Suraj School, Mahendragarh. Today I am going to deliver a lecture on the topic present indefinite tense. Okay. In last video I taught you about some special characteristics of present indefinite. Okay. I taught you about when subject, he, she, it, any name, any singular thing in simple sentences, then you should add add s or es along with first form of verb. Okay. In interrogative sentences, negative sentences, interrogative plus negative sentences, when subject he, she, it, any singular thing, any name, then you should use does plus first form of verb. Okay. Rest of all subjects like I, we, you, they, any plural thing in simple sentences, then you should apply only first form of verb. Okay. In interrogative sentences, interrogative plus negative sentences, when subject I, we, you, they, any plural thing, then you should apply do plus first form of verb. If you find does plus first form, do plus first form, only first form plus s oblique es, then you can easily say that present indefinite tense is used in the sentence. Okay. Now I am going to tell you about the structure of present indefinite tense. Okay. I have already told you about in my previous video how to add s or es. If you want to understand all the things in a better way, how to add s or es, then you can take screenshot of it. Okay. Now I am going to tell you about what is the structure of present indefinite. Okay. Structure of present indefinite. Structure of present indefinite tense. Okay. There is an example. He writes a letter. You know very well that this sentence is written in simple form. This is a simple sentence. What is the structure of simple sentence of present indefinite? Subject, first form plus s, es. In my last video I taught you about how to add s or es in simple sentence of present indefinite, but condition is that you should use first form, you should use s or es along with first form of verb when subject he, she, it, any singular thing, any name. In that case you can use s or es along with first form of verb. Okay. Object. Okay. This is the structure of simple sentence of present indefinite. After that, interrogative. You know very well that we can use does when subject he, she, it, any name, any singular thing. Okay, along with first form of verb. In interrogative sentences, you know very well that interrogative sentences start from helping verb, and what will be the helping verb? Does, because subject is here, he, does he write? We always try to use first form of verb along with do, does modal. Okay, write a letter. In place of full stop you should mark interrogative mark. This is the structure of, this is the sentence of interrogative sentence of present indefinite. Okay, now I am going to write the structure of interrogative sentence of present indefinite. Does plus subject plus first form of verb plus object. Okay, but when subject I, we, you, they, any plural thing in interrogative sentence, then you should apply do plus first form. If we write I in place of he, then you should apply do in place of does. Okay, that's why this will be the structure of interrogative structure of present indefinite tense. Okay, after it, in negative, he does not write a letter. Structure subject do oblique does. If we write I in place of he, then you should apply do, you should not apply does. You always try to remember one thing, that what is the subject. Okay, if these subjects are applied, then you should use any of these subjects apply in interrogative, negative, interrogative plus negative, then you should apply does along with first form of verb. If any of these subjects is given in the sentence, then you should apply do plus first form of verb. After that, negative form not, and after that main verb, and after that object. Okay, I mean to say that first form of verb. You can say it main verb or first form of verb. Okay, interrogative plus negative. Does he not write a letter? Okay, do, does plus subject plus not first form of verb, I mean to say that main verb plus object. Okay, these are the structures of present indefinite tenses. This is the structure of simple sentence, this is the structure of interrogative sentence, this is the structure of negative sentence, this is the structure of interrogative plus negative. Okay, I hope you will understand about the structures of present indefinite tense. Now I am going to tell you about usage of present indefinite tense. Usage of present indefinite tense. Okay, present indefinite tense is used with the words often, generally, frequently, every day, every week, etc. Examples: he usually takes tea. Along with usually, you can also use present indefinite tense. He goes out for a walk every day. Okay. Present indefinite tense is used with the words often, usually, generally, frequently, every day, etc. He usually takes tea. He goes out for a walk every day. To express general truth, habit, etc. The earth moves around the sun. Okay. Two and two make four. Okay. In today's video, we have discussed about the structure of present indefinite tense, and after that, what are the uses of present indefinite tense. Okay. That's all for today. Thanks and have a nice day.